We are cooking preserved radish or caipo egg today. We have here 1/3 bowl of caipo. This is the sweet caipo. Soak them to get rid of the extra saltiness. The soaking time will depend on the brand we use and how salty they are. I have soaked this for about 3 minutes. Wash for at least 2 to 3 times to get rid of the sand until the water is clear. Press out the water from the caipo and let them drain in the strainer. We have here 5 eggs. Beat the eggs with a fork. Add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of water. Beat the eggs until everything is mixed well. There is no need to beat the eggs too long. We start by frying the caipo in a dry wok. We are using a non-stick frying pan for this recipe. Fry until you can start to smell the fragrance from the caipo for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Fry for another minute. After 1 minute, when the caipo is jumping in the wok, add the eggs. Break any bubbles you can see. Be careful not to scratch the bottom of the wok. We are now turning down the fire as the top is not set yet. We do not want to burn the bottom before the top is set. We are taking another pick. The bottom is not brown, and as the top is still watery, we have to turn the fire up a little, otherwise the top will not set. We are now going to flip the eggs around. This is ready once the bottom is cooked. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe, and share the video with your family and friends.